What's up guys, Vern here, Pogiboy Productions. I'm currently here in Manalapan, New Jersey at Happy Day Farm. It's actually my niece's birthday, so she requested to go pumpkin picking, and my sister-in-law found this place. Like a lot of stuff that you can just play with. It's like a children's paradise basically. Slides and animals and you know, all kinds of fun stuff that will keep him busy for a while, even me. So come along, we'll check it out. I think this is one of the best places to go for during the autumn season, especially if you like pumpkin picking. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. And thank goodness it's not raining. It's supposed to rain today, forecasted rain. So all right, keep watching. Overcast sky, supposed to rain. Over 100 cars here. Ready to see some pumpkins. You ready?
Yeah!
Happy Day Farm in Manalapan, New Jersey. And all the things here only for $27. Make sure you order online. And if you want to do more things, it's down there. It's extra. Pretty good price for what you get here. If you guys like pumpkin, autumn activities, I highly recommend it. This is why I like autumn. Check out the colors of the leaves. Ain't it pretty? Alright, we're gonna go inside. And this is Blu-ray. What is Blu-ray? I just know a DVD. Blu-ray DVD. Alright, let's go inside. Elliot. We're heading towards Elliot. What does that mean, KB? I think that's the road we're in or something. I don't know. Alright. We're walking. Big races. Sunflowers. Look at all the fun stuff you can do here. Checkers, tic-tac-toe. You can go bowling. Sweet! These volleyball things reminds me of like Napoleon Dynamite. Alright, we're hungry. Time to get something to eat. Expect fair prices. I'm sure it's not cheap.
What you got?
All that sugar. Offer body strength. to ride.
Not ideal.
Gotta find the great pumpkin. The great pumpkin, Charlie Brown. Pumpkin? No?
I don't know. Your cute wagon.
Really?
Yes. KB fun fact.
KB fun fact.
Look. They truly are.
Wonder how much it is per pound. Did you get a pumpkin, So? You did? Nice. Look at that.
Even if you can eat the leaves.
It's calabasa.
A lot of gourds.
Gourd? It's gourd, right?
I don't even know if these are pumpkins, but they look cool. Oh, especially this one. This one's cool.
They're alien eggs.
Let me take a photo of you.
Alien
What's
eggs.
his name?
happened?
Alien X about to come out of that.
Yeah, I know.
That just looks like a spider web.
Baby.
That's just really
How much pumpkins are here? It's probably by a pound. I think it's $7 a pound. So, yeah. I think it's kind of expensive, but
Look at how flat this pumpkin is. Check
Yeah.
out this one.
looks dry. So if you want to do some photo ops, this is the perfect place. Instagram, you know, TikTok, Facebook, perfect place. We made houses out of pumpkins, sunflowers, everything. It's very, very nice. Check it out.
I got one.
Call for this. KB, you ready?
Yeah, probably not.
Probably not. Me too.
I'm not ready. I don't know how to guys.
We'll see how it goes. It's okay. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that video. That is Happy Day Farms in Manalapan, New Jersey. Such a fun event. Unfortunately, today was the last day, so you can't go. But at least you guys got to see and experience it through this video. It's a ton of fun. Like I said, we didn't get to do a lot of the things there because it was so, you know, it's a whole day event pretty much. Like, and there's just too many things going on that I couldn't get to all of them. And we were trying to beat the rain because it's actually raining right now. So we actually beat the rain going home. But you know, there's like pig races. There's a giant slide. There's you can feed more animals. There's you know, shoot paintballs. So many fun things to do over there. But so if you're planning to visit, it's best to order it online on the website. I leave all the info down below. And if not for this event, the autumn event, there's other things they do there. I don't think they're open all year round, but you know, they have like lavender festival and like pick strawberries, pick blueberries. I think that's where you could get it. So don't quote me on that, but everything is on the website. So they have up-to-date news on what they're up to and when they're open and when they're closed. Everything is on there. And I think it's $27, right, per person for that event. and depending on what the event is, the price may differ. And bring cash, because it is a cash only place, and they have ATM on the premises. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, that big red button. Ring the bell so you get notified of all our future videos. Like, comment, share this video, share it to everybody in the world so we get hit with the algorithm. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks guys.